This video is to help you in Module 3 with the page numbers and headers assignment. So I do find that this is one where some people struggle with parts of it, so I did want to make a special video to demonstrate. So you can see I have at the top of every page my name, which is one of the requirements, and at the bottom of the page where it says page 4 of 5. And so when I click on those numbers, they're gray, which means that I can tell that those numbers are being auto-generated by Google Docs. It's figuring out for you what page you're on and the page number. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, those two things. So just to show you how to do that, I'm going to delete it. And now you can see that it's not there. So this area at the top of in a Word doc and a Google Doc, there's space set aside for you to put information that will appear on every page. So for student work, it's very common to have the students just type in their name, period, date, perhaps. If you'll notice, I just clicked at the top of the document and it shows me the divider between the header information and my information on the first page. You can also find this under the Insert menu, header and footer, and you can use the shortcuts if you want, but it's so easy just to click on the document. I don't know why you would use the menu. Part of the assignment is to put some page numbering in your document, and I recommend in the footer, which is at the bottom part of that document. Again, I'm just going to click down there so I can see the dividing line between the document itself and that footer area. So the first thing I want to insert is the page number. So I can go up to Insert, Header and Page Number, and Insert Page Number. Now there's 4 options. If I choose the top 2, it'll actually put the information in the header at the top of the page. The bottom 2 give me the option to put the page number at the bottom of the page, just like it shows. The difference between these two is this one will start numbering on the very first page. This one will assume that the first page is like a title page and won't start the numbering until the second page of the document. I'm just going to select the first one. But for those of you that are more advanced, please feel free to explore these options. You also have an option to say a different first page header and footer. Again, for those of you that are more advanced, explore those options to see which ones work best for you in your situation. But anyway, I'm going to select this first one here at the bottom. And you'll notice it says 1. If I scroll down 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I also want the page count in there. That means how many pages are in the entire document. Now I could go back up to the top, but I don't have to. I can be on any page of my document in the footer area. If you click out by mistake, just click back in and you can get back into it. Now I want it to read like 5 of, and then the number of pages. And that's also found under the Insert menu, Header and Page Number, and it's called Page Count. So now it says 5 of 5, 4 of 5, 3 of 5, so that's working perfectly. Now I did ask you to put in the text page 3 of 5. And really this is just so you can see what other information can be added to make it very clear for your end users. Now the advantage of all of this is if I decide to add a new page, let's say if I insert a page break and add a new page, you can see it's updating automatically for me. If I just type in that I had 5 pages, then it wouldn't update that last number for me. So using these commands, the insert, page number, and page count, Google Docs is going to go figure all that stuff out for you and automatically update it so that as you add or remove pages, it's automatically updating it. Hopefully this video will help you complete the Module 3 assignment on page numbers and headers.